Hi Stampers, and welcome to Watch It Weekly Wednesday. My name is Jill Olsen and I'm celebrating my 30-year anniversary this month actually with Stampin' Up. I'm going to show you a new product from our 30-year annual catalog. It's a copper T10 they're called, and they've got this copper sheen to them, and they're designed to fit 3x3 cards in them. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it for something different. I'm going to use this gray granite cardstock and the Joyous Noel Designer Series paper. It has copper already in the paper, so it's perfect for these tins. So you can see how every other one has got the copper accent in it. So I've got these little tabs on here because I'm using this new Joyous Noel glitter right here, and it's absolutely gorgeous to coordinate with these tins that I'm using. And I'm using it with our Merry Christmas Thinlit dies, and they have Merry and Christmas, Holiday, and Happy in them, and also these two little other framelits right here. But I'm going to just use Merry, okay? So we're going to cut out our Merry with either one of these colors you can use, and there's 24 sheets, 8 of each, in this packet for $15. I'm going to use the tear-in tape right here, and I'm just going to put the tear-in tape around the whole thing. So just like right here in the center, just to hold the piece of paper, or Designer Series paper, right down, okay? And then I'm going to take it also and put it on the one side, the opposite side, just to secure it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that just on the edge because it will overlap just a little bit. And this is just a 3x12 piece of the Designer Series paper. You want to burnish it down so it will actually stick to the copper tin. And then I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and peel this off too. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the middle of the back side of my tin. And there's a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch over on your copper tin. And I'm just going to pull it tight and push it down as I go. And then this has got the sticky side on it, so I'm just going to overlap that. Voila, it's already on there. So you've got that beautiful, look how cool that copper looks with the tin. And I'm going to take the gray granite because the gray granite is in the cardstock itself. And I'm going to go ahead and use from this Peaceful Noel. It has all these little like twigs, and it's perfect. The matching twig right there in the paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it just all over the place. Doesn't really matter what direction it faces, you're just getting the pattern of the stamp on the actual paper. So I'm going to go ahead and take our corner rounder punch. This punch has 3 different edges on it, or it has decorative edge, but I'm just using the corner rounder part. And just to make it so it matches with the actual corner round of this. So we've got all those edges corner round. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that on the top. And that will just go inside like that. So you can open it up and use it, but we want it a little bit more decorated. So I'm going to show you that paper with the other options. If you wanted to use this paper to make gifts out of, you can put gift cards in here, you can put treats in here, you can even put Christmas socks in there, which is a fun tradition. So I want to show you the combinations. Okay, this one is the copper, this is Tranquil Tide, and this is the Merry Merlot. So you can see that, and there's Tranquil Tide and the copper. So I just kind of, to use up all the glitter, I use the different ones on there. So I put the Merry in the center. So let me show you what the actual final thing looks like. And I also topped it up with a metal brad and used this beautiful copper Merry Merlot ribbon. So if you notice on one side it's shimmery like copper, and on the other side it's Mary Merlot. So it's amazing how it looks with the copper. And you'll want to get this little punch right here. I kind of think it looks like reindeer antlers, but when you do it with the greenery, it's a great accent. So I went ahead and punched 2 on each side of each color, the copper and the gray granite. And I used this right here to go around, a copper one to go around this. Now when I did the ribbon, let me show you how I did that. So I just went like this because I wanted to get just the copper side showing, and then I kind of gathered it together like so, and then I wrapped this totally around the brad so it was all facing the right direction, so your ribbon faces forward. So that's how I got that look. Let me show you another look with it too that you can use for Thanksgiving. That would be a perfect to put little thank you notes in here. You can go around the table and have everybody put things that they're thankful for, and it can go in this tin. Also, you can use it for goodies or chocolates at Thanksgiving time too. So the same deal, the 12 by 3 inch piece that went all the way around. I use the folder right here to give it that texture. And these products are all found in our holiday catalog. If you like any of these products and you're interested in ordering, go to stampinjill.com, click the Order Now button, or check the blog to see all the details for these products. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope to see you next time on Watch It Weekly Wednesday.